And some might say that that shadow of experience is the more true experience. Let's chat building energy, identity, and perception. So when we are exploring through all this work, we find that we hit these bumps, we rise up a level, and we have to stabilize that level. Now, when we open up a new layer of frequency, a higher frequency, typically we'll experience that as something we are in contrast to, right? That is pretty much, as far as I can tell, what experience is. So we experience this thing, and it is seen as separate from us, hence the contrast. Okay, that's a big part of why we're able to perceive it. It is something else, it's new, it's novel, so there it is. It's like when we smell something new for the next 15 minutes or so, we can smell it, and then it fades into the background. So once a new level of vibration opens up to us, we're able to perceive it. And because we can perceive it, now, there it is. So from that point, we then need to figure out how to stabilize a relationship with it, and then to equalize or merge with it. Now, something very interesting happens once we've completed the stabilization phase and we begin to merge, which is any perception of that energy. So many trails to choose from. We'll go this way. Any perception of that energy starts to disappear. So the strength that we might feel when it comes to the energy, like this energy in me is so strong, something like that, or the energy in my field is so strong, whatever it is, whatever you're building, that all disappears. So any identification of separation when it comes to me and the energy, that starts to go. And with it, the perception starts to alter quite drastically. And it's on the other side of this that we encounter the negatives, we might call it, of focus and of perception and of experience itself. And some might say that that shadow of experience is the more true experience. It is weird. It's all weird. All right? So we keep exploring these different layers of identity, emergence, stabilization, new frequencies, novelty. And when it does all disappear, with that, we have to give up all kinds of identifying functions and factors when it comes to who and what we are. Because to merge with that energy, to become in coherence or resonance with it, anything that isn't in resonance with it has to change, alter, and fade away. So it's all lots of fun to explore, and we just want to be aware. When we experience something new, it's novel, hence it's big in our perceptions. Right? Doesn't mean it's the be-all, end-all. It's just new. And then time goes on, we can stabilize it more easily, and we develop this relationship with it. Now, if we think about building the energy, then we are still in a deep state of contrast to it. We're going to build this energy, build it, build it, build it, build it, build it. If we consider it more like a relationship, that we are accumulating a type of relationship with the energy to a point where we can become one with it, this frees us up from a mental standpoint to allow the dissolution of these identity forms to take place, and this can help us more easily merge with the substance that we are working with, or with the non-substance, or the shadow of the experience itself that we might be focusing on, or that might be just tickling at the back of our perceptions. All right, thanks for your time. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.